Wemfo kaNdlondlo, uyabona lento yepolitiki ufuna njengawe news media ufuna unga-attachi ama-feelings ukuthi bani uthini, uyabona. Siphila enye impilo la. Kusasa ngenza umzekelo, with your energy kule media housing, kusasa I won't be shocked mina mangithola ukuthi i-SABC iyakuthatha iyakuqeqesha usuyi-journalist ye-SABC uma seku-announce kuthiwa hayi no kanjani abantu will never accept izinto ezingafiki enqondweni yabo. Kunezinto ezithi mazenzakala uyibuza ukuthi zenzakala kanjani, ila uso-develop umona. Into nje ekumele siyisho kusasa so intatheli mhlawumbe independent senkulu secover South Africa, we must say congratulations, uyabona. Because unale vision yalento oyenzayo and every day you work on it and we are improve. Every day we are improve. The more we improve, the more kunabantu abanotisayo. You won't be shocked nini kuthiwa now uNdlondlo 5 million, establish your own studio, ukhavare impumalanga yonke, usuqhasha abantu, uyabona. That's how we must think.